Okay, if you want to conditional format your tax data, so I have suppliers here, total, VAT, net amount. If I want to conditional format the total, for example, I'll just click the column D and I'll go to home and go to conditional formatting. I'll click the highlight cell rules and I can just choose from here. So for example, if I choose greater than, and I can just write in, for example, 300. Okay, and I will just color it with yellow fill with dark yellow text, so it will appear like this, and click OK. Okay, so I can see that I'll just write here greater than 300 just to remind me about the formatting, and I can just have a look that anything that is colored yellow is greater than 300, so you won't find anything below 300 that is colored yellow, so it's easy for me to find out. And then I can just, if I want, I can just for example add the filter to it, and I can just click on this and I can just do it by color, cell color, view it by cell color, and it will all disappear. The other will go down. I can only see the ones that are colored, so these all are above 200. um, so if I just go back and I just no fill, okay, and that's fine. I can just go here and I can just clear the filter, for example, and I can have a look, so all my values are here. Okay, if I want, if I click this one, okay, and I go to conditional formatting and I want to I go to highlight cell rules and I can just see, I can just click for duplicate values and I can color this green fill, for example, and click OK. So anything that is green, highlighted green, or filled with green, sorry, not highlighted, is a duplicate. Okay, so there are at least one duplicate, same number copy of it, or two of them. So if I click, if I see this 90 and this 90, so these are duplicates. So these are all duplicates. So it has two figures. Okay, and these are all duplicates. Okay, so just to find out the duplicates, then if I click on D, I go to conditional formatting, I click on top bottom rules, and I click on above average. So I want to know what's above average in these numbers, and I want to make it light red fill. Click OK. So this is above average, okay, and this is above average as well, okay, and these all red ones are above average. Okay, so these all are above average, right? And so I'll just write that above average. So you can just conditional format like that to find out, and I'll just click on this one and I'll just clear format now for now, and I can also go back and delete this now. So it's easier for me to find out things when I do conditional formatting, I think.